Hey guys, it's Nikki here at Stillwater's Wreath Designs, and just a quick 3-minute video for you. If you are like me and you don't have a Hobby Lobby or a craft store anywhere in your area, don't sleep on all of the goodies that Amazon has. I just finished getting some items for myself and I wanted to share them with you. I have got signs, Craig Bachman ribbon, 10-inch deco mesh, embellishments, all the things. So I thought I would share them with you. And of course, I will leave links for all of these things below in the description of this video. That's it for now. Bye guys.